Welcome back again. Now we're going to see how to remove a battery or replace a battery on Yamaha Virago 750. To do that, we're going to need to remove the battery from the battery spot. So in the last video I showed you how to remove the chrome cap that's sitting on this battery that going to close it. You have the clips that going to pop in. You have to safely remove the chrome cap or whatever caps you have, depends on your bike. You have to safely remove that, and you need a screwdriver to open this safety guard belt holder that holding the battery in place. So you're going to need a screwdriver. Take a screwdriver, back to the battery. Just try to don't tear the belt. Be gentle on it. Just stretch the belt a little bit by using your screwdriver there. Just safely pop it out. So just push it, then the clip from the battery, that slot here, that can be removed by gently. So the battery door is now open. So in Yamaha Virago, to remove the battery from the bike, first you have to remove the negative wire, because it's like little bit cranky on Yamaha Virago. Some things you have to remove. You have to remove several things before you do that. So take a Phillips screwdriver, that the size that can fit into the bolts that we have on the bike. Be careful when you're going to remove this bolts, because there will be a small bolt that catching the screw in place. So be careful while you removing it. So when it loose enough, take this slowly out, take this carefully out. I'll say take this screw out and place somewhere else safe you can locate. I don't want to lose it. So before taking the battery out, you have to make sure that bolt will be there. So to remove the battery out, here the battery going to catch on my bike. It depends on other bikes. If your bike also going to catch, be careful on that. Watch for that. Just give a little push up and grab outside. So hold the battery before you're grabbing, because the red wire or the positive is also attached there. So take the screwdriver again, unscrew it safely that you're not going to lose any bolts. So now the battery is removed. So I got a new battery, and to test the battery, I'll suggest before putting on the bike, I'll suggest test the battery power. Is it full or is it low, 50% or not? To check that, you have to have a battery smart charger that you can charge your batteries or check how much percentage you have. So just plug in that guy there and take this positive and negative charges. So you can like place it see how much charge we have on the battery here. That's going to show us on here. See, that's blinking on 25, 50, 75. It's still blinking on 75. So give it some time. See, that's a new battery and it's fully charged. So it's went to 100 very quick. It's quite blinking. So on the smart chargers you have to have a battery. Here you can see 6 volts, 12 volts, 6 volts small, 12 volts small. So when you push this mode button, that can change from battery, so you have to keep it on 12 volts, 3.5 amps. So that can show you again how much battery power you have. So I'll let it be like not blinking light. I will wait until you get a standard non-blinking green light 100%. I waited enough. The battery is 100% now. I'm going to remove the charger from the battery so I can take the battery back to the bike. So last time when we're going to remove the battery, we removed the negative first and the positive later. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to hook up the positive first, then so to do that you have to place your battery at the spot. You can grab the bolt. You can use the new bolts that came with the battery. Be careful when you're putting the wires in. Make sure you're not damaging any of the wires. Tighten that up and push the battery into the slot carefully. Don't mess up with anything. I just got a bolt that fallen from the battery, so keep in place. Get the bolt you already saved from the old battery, or you can use a new one if it is not good. Put the screw in again. Make sure you got tightened up everything. If you need to clean your negatives or positives, you can get a sandpaper and just buff all your electronic catching here. So push the battery all the way in. Now the battery is in the place. You can grab the pad again that's going to hold your battery there, the belt, the one we took off. Here you have to need more strength to use, so pull the belt a little bit harder to keep it in place. You have to hear the snap. Once you put the belt in the spot, sometimes you make sure your excess battery water or acid pipe that's in place, and that will be very useful to you not to spill all the over. That's it. Let's check if it is working. See, that's lighting up, so the battery is working. Thank you for watching. Follow up for more videos to see in this channel. Please like and subscribe to encourage to make more videos. Have a good day.